Here I would like to introduce one of the interesting, my favorite and life-changing home appliance that everybody must keep at their home to ease in life. It's Midea dishwasher, which dramatically made change in life personally by saving a lot of time. To wash dishes throughout the day manually, which actually consume a lot of time and more wastage of water as well. It's very easy and convenient to use, not only save time and water consumption, but also clean the dishes way better. So first let me introduce the Midea dishwasher with the baskets so that you will come to know you can put here your full dish utensils in the dishwasher. So you can enjoy your TV serials, you can enjoy the movie, and even you can go to bed early at night. It will definitely change your lifestyle. So here are three racks in the dishwasher. The first one is the cutlery basket, the cutlery rack, where you can place your cutlery, soup spoons, fork, knives, teaspoons, serving spoons, gravy ladles, and fork. Even you can place here the small bowls. So here is the cutlery should be placed in the cutlery rack separately from each other, and to make sure the utensils, the spoons do not nest together. This may cause the bad washing performance. The thing I like the most in the cutlery basket, you can lift the right basket to the left. So you can place the wine glass, the long utensils in the second basket. It will give you more space. It will give you more space in the second rack to put the long glass, the long utensils in the second rack. One more thing I like the most in the cutlery rack, this is removable. You can remove this very easily, and you can put your long size, big size utensils in the second rack. This is very easy to remove, and this is very easy to put it back in the dishwasher. This is the second rack. This is designed to hold the delicate and the lighter dishwasher such as glasses, teacups, shallow pans, small bowls, and plates. Put your dirty dishes according to the dishes place so that they will not get moved by the spray of water. I will show you here the folding cup shelves both sides. You can put cups here. If you have extra cups, you can put here. But the benefit of these shelves, you can hold cutlery if you are removing the upper cutlery rack. Make sure the spray arms that will wash your dishes should be freely movable. It should not collide with any utensils, otherwise it will not give you a good results for cleaning the dishes. Now you can see the rack is fully filled with the dishes. This is the lower or the last basket of the Midea dishwasher. You can place a large item and the most difficult to clean item, especially Indian pots. Definitely you will be satisfied from this dishwasher, as I am very happy with this. Before loading this basket, I will show you here something important in the basket and inside the Midea dishwasher. How to use, how to wash it so that you can use this long time. This is the folding sprites. Here you can see in the basket you can fold it down that you will be able to place a heavy and large utensils here easily. If you are a less plates item, you can put here in the front side of the basket, but if you have more plates, you can use other sprites. Now here you can see this is the detergent dispenser. Here is a small button to open it. This one is the small compartment rinse aid dispenser. But I'm not using this because I'm using here a fairy tablet for washing my dishes. This is very easy to use. No need to put extra shiner or rinse aid. Just one tablet will give you excellent result. So I'm using here Fairy all-in-one tablet. Has been designed to have 3 individual compartments. You can see, which conveniently keep the ingredients stable. It is so easy to use, no unwrapping needed. Just place it your dishwasher detergent dispenser. If you want to use this tablet, I'm giving you a link in the description. You can check it. Also, you can check your other brands in the market, but use only popular branded detergent. These are the spray arms for the third rack. Here are some small holes on the arms that will shower water with the high pressure to clean the utensils. When you are loading dishware in the third rack, make sure all utensils should be placed in the way that the spray arms can rotate freely during washing. So check it before closing the door, because if the spray arms once it will stuck, it will not give you good washing results. One more thing, if the water level is hard, you need to clean the spray arms and use salt that I will show you next. This is a filter where the small food particle will go from your dirty dish items. After every 10 days, you need to clean the filter. It's very easy to clean. You can use the toothbrush to wash it or tap water. If we will not clean it, the dishwasher will not work properly. This one is the salt section. When we will open it, there we can fill the dishwasher salt only. The dishwasher salt only, not any other kind of salt. Here I'm using the Finish salt, link I'm giving you in the description. The dishwasher salt, especially for the dishwasher, this salt helps to achieve better cleaning results by softening the water. If your water level is soft, then no need to put the salt. But here I'm living in the area I need to put because of the hard water level. Now the question is that if the salt is finished, how you will come to know? So on the black display, salt light will be blink, will be on, and you will come to know you need to put more salt. Here I have loaded the rack with the heavy utensils. So for the best performance of the dishwasher, remove any large amount of leftover food, but not necessary to rinse the dishes underwater. All items should be placed in the way that the spray arms can move easily. So check it before switch on it. Heavy utensils should be on downward position. Before closing the door, I will show you here all programs on the control panel. This is not a touchable, this is just a picture. All programs and display are outside of the door. When you will switch on the power button, display will show you all programs and you can select according to your need. Here you can select programs 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 90 minutes and 1.30 minutes means 1.5 hour, 2.5 hour, 3 hour according to your need. You can select any program according to your need. Half load options is also available there if you want it. The control panel to effectively protect your children from unexpected accidents. For the child lock here in the dishwasher, press these two buttons for 3 seconds only to lock the dishwasher or unlock the dishwasher. Now you can see Midea dishwasher has done perfect job and I'm really happy to use this water softener, improving cleaning performance. You can present your delayed times and choose your preferable made to finish dishwasher automatically at night when you are sleeping. Just make sure remove the large food particles with the help of tissues only before operating it. Otherwise the food particles will go into the filter and it will harm the filter. Now we'll talk about the pots, which pots you can use and which pots you cannot use in the dishwasher. Non-sticks are perfect here for the dishwasher. The items you are going to wash, it should be with the dishwasher safe label. Glasses we can wash and you can see it looks like a new one. Next one is the ceramic or the plastic. You can wash here. Some plastics are not dishwasher safe, so before washing it, see it is a dishwasher safe or not. Next one is a silver. Dishwasher will not harm the silver, but if you are using this regularly, washing this regularly, the shine will be completely go because of the temperature of water, because the dishwasher is washing the dishes on 50 degrees Celsius. This is a heavy metal non-stick pan. I washed it daily and non-stick coating is going out. So I am using the steel pots instead of the heavy metal non-sticks. Hope you like the video. For more product reviews, subscribe my channel.